This graphic panel was put together based on some of the research and the discussion that we had with Rabbit Goody, our textile consultant who came to work with us at the Yeager Museum. This graphic panel is very simple, but based on her input and Ted Anderson's design, we were able to evoke the really simple form of a coverlet, have some interesting texture behind it from one of the coverlets that is being mentioned in the label copy, and then just really include some basic information about why this coverlet is so special because of its signature.